Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I swapped my air compressor cans into signal horn with this bear horn. So, yep, that's what I did because I want to have extra air so it can last longer. I don't know what it's gonna sound like for this one, but see what happens. It sounds a bit different. Now it's the same. Yeah, something. What if I do this? Well, it gets cold, but yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I will see you in the next one.